huli kong punta sa Taytay was 23 years ago. So, nagkaroon ko yung parang estudyante na taga Taytay. So, nasa ako nagpunta sa Taytay 1993. So, 23 years ago. Medyo napakalaki ng pinagbago ng Taytay since 23 years ago po. Naalala ko, may mga panahon na nagpupunta ako nito, umuulan, hindi bumabaha. Sana hindi umulan. No? So ngayon, bilang pangwakas, gusto ko pasalamatan ang sumusuporta ng Beautiful Heart Foundation. As President for Development of the Holy Catholic Church International, they're being supported by the Brothers Brother Foundation based in the United States. I am the founder of the Beautiful Heart Foundation, and we have been doing medical missions, outreach programs in the Philippines for almost 10 years now. We're not only into medical missions, but we're also doing training and educational programs. So ngayon, pending film kami ginagawa, indie film, no? Entitled Veterano. So, open pa kami for auditions, no? Kasama ito sa aming training educational program. So kung meron mga talents from Taytay, kung naghahanap kami ng male lead or female lead or mga supporting cast, no? Like us on Facebook, Veterano.